Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fish Co. Before starting today's video, there is an announcement that there is a group named Wine Mentorship Services and they are conducting a test series for NET ASRB aspirant, and their agenda is to cover whole syllabus of aquaculture, fisheries resource management and fish processing technology. There will be 10 to 12 mock tests. Charge of the test series is rupees 499 only, and registration is up to 30th of July, so you all can hurry up and register for this test series if you all are interested. All those aspirants who are preparing for NET ASRB must join this test series as it is very effective for your exam. So for registration you can contact this number on the screen. I have also provided a detail in the description box, so you can check it from there. Thank you. In this video, we will talk about one-liners from Handbook of Fisheries and Aquaculture, very important for your JRF exam as well as fisheries related other competitive exam. So let's start. First of all, in gene bank, gamete is preserved at, so it is preserved at minus 196 degrees Celsius of liquid nitrogen. Craft used to exploit Indian pelagic fisheries, so it is catamaran and Pablo type boats. Craft used in Karnataka, most common craft used in Karnataka is, so it is Rampani. In 2005, stayed with high production, so it was Kerala. Region more productive in pelagic fisheries, so it is southwest coast. Then higher contribution of pelagic fish, that belongs to oil sardine. Scientific name of oil sardine, Sardinella longiceps. Family of oil sardine, it belongs to Clupidae. Oil sardine fishing season in Kerala, it is from March to May. In Karnataka, it is from September to October. In Andhra Pradesh, it is from July to August. Indicator of oil sardine, so it is Fragillaria oceanica. Scientific name of mackerel, Rostolizer canaguta. Scientific name of golden anchovy, Colia dulcimeri. Scientific name of lizard fish, Saurida tumbil. Common name of Bregmaceros macklandi, it is unicorn cod. Scientific name of threadfin breams, Nemipteris species. Echinurhinus bracius, found at the depth of 1000 meter. Largest fish, whale shark. Family of whale shark, it is Rhincodontidae. Scientific name of whale shark, Rhincodon typhus. Maximum length of whale shark, 1400 cm. Whale shark migrate towards Saurashtra coast. In 2001, 4 species, that includes whale shark, Pondicherry shark, gangetic shark and spear-toothed shark. Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Scientific name of guitar fish, Rhynchobatus species. Family of groupers, it is Serenidae. Major purchase inhabiting, so it inhabits rocky and coral areas. Groupers feed on, so they feeds on fishes, crustaceans, cephalopods and trash fishes. Threadfin breams belongs to family Nemipteridae. Groupers belongs to family Serenidae. Pigface bream belongs to family Lethrinidae. Threadfin breams recorded in 300 meter depth, so it is Nemipterus japonicus. Zebra shark belongs to the order Orectolobiformis. Hexanchiformis, cow shark. Squaliformis, bramble shark. Laminiformis, thresher shark. Sawfish species includes Anoxipristis cuspidate, Pristis microdon, Pristis gistron. Scientific name of Ganga shark, Glyphis gangeticus. Area of EEZ, that is exclusive economic zone, it is 2.02 million square kilometer. Freshwater fishes are hypertonic. Marine water fishes are hypotonic. Abundant tilapia species is Nile tilapia, that is Oreochromis niloticus. Process of programmed cell death, apoptosis. Cage culture started in Cambodia. Wealth definition of economics, Adam Smith. Welfare definition of economics, Alfred Marshall. Growth definition, Paul E. Samuelson. Scarcity definition, Rowland Robbins. Then modern cage culture was started in Japan. Biological Diversity Act 2002. Biological Diversity Rules 2004. Function of barbels in catfish, it is sensory. Livers in fishes have 2 lobes. Pharyngeal teeth is present in herbivorous and especially in carps. Okay, so that's all for this video of one-liners from Handbook of Fisheries and Aquaculture. Very important for your JRF exam as well as fisheries related other competitive exam. So that's all for this. Thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ.